it will destroy you, I swear to God. But you'll never know because you don't play video games and you're missing out on a lot because
this is take
people don't really try too much on movies anymore, but they're actually trying more emotional stuff with video games now than they are with movies, and it's really sad.
As this is, we're filming a video right now. Thanks, Jacob.
Screw you.
Oh, he's actually nicer than this. Okay, so my name's Emily, and this is
Amanda.
Okay. Are you sure?
I'm pretty sure.
Okay, so it's Amanda this time. And, we're going to do Neutral Milk Hotel
in an airplane over the sea.
You know what? A video game that looks good is impressive for a few months, but a video game that plays good is impressive forever.
But, yeah.